What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you a great gag card trick. Let's do it. So today's video is going to be really nice, laid back, nothing too crazy. Like I said before, it's a gag trick. So I just like doing this trick when I'm having some fun with people, or if someone's messing around with me, I just do this to mess around with them back. And yeah, so I just thought I'd share this trick with you guys. I'm sure most of you may have seen it, may not have seen it, but let's just do it right here and right now. So we'll just start off by having the deck quickly shuffled. We're not going to go too crazy with it. Yep, fair enough. Now I'm just going to spread through the cards like this, and wherever the spectator wants, I just touch the back of any card. Right, so I'm just going to go through like this. Let's just say they touch this card right here. Okay, we'll take a look. Remember that card. Hopefully you got it. Bam, put it right down here. Then I'll allow the spectator to take the deck, shuffle it up. However they want to shuffle it up. And now at this point, I'm just going to start putting cards out face up like this. And I'm just going to try to detect and see if I could find your card. It's taking a lot longer than I thought it'd take. Any second now. Any second now. Any second now. Man. Alright, here we go. Now I'm sure that the next card I flip over is gonna be your card. So check this out. We're just gonna, yep, right here. Boom. There it is. That's how it's done. Now again, like I was saying earlier, this is not a trick that you should do to, really impress people. It's just a trick I like to do as a gag or for fun. So, for those of you who do not know how to do it, you start off by forcing a card on the spectator. And the way I like to do the force is I just like to do the cull. So, I have a video on that. You can take a look at that. I'll put the link on the screen in the description. So what I pretty much do is just remember the fourth card from the top of the deck. Do a shuffle. Maintain that fourth card. So there it is. What happened? So like I was saying, you take a look at the fourth card from the top. Remember it. I like to give the deck a false shuffle. Bam. Maintain that card on top. And then I start off going through like this. I tell the spectator touch the back of any card as I start going through the packet. And then I come over, perform the cull here. Cull over that card. Keep going, and let's just say they tap the back of this card. You square all these cards up, show them the culled card, right? So the way we're doing that, again, you have that card culled. It's like this. They tap the back, boom, square that up. That's the card you're showing them. Now once they have that, you know what the card is already. You give them to the spectator to shuffle, and at this point they're thinking there's no way that they know what my card is because I picked it myself. So and I'm shuffling the deck. They don't know. Right, so then after that's done, bam, they shuffle it up. Then you can just start going through. We'll just say it was the four of spades. They start going through, bam, 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 boom, beam, bop, beep, boom, bop. I don't know why there it is. Okay, so then when you see the four of spades, you just keep going. Just casually, just keep going. Nothing happened. And at one point, you're just going to say, all right, so the next card I flip over is going to be your card. And while you're saying that, just like push out this card or tap on it. The next card that I flip over is going to be your card. Something gesture like this. And then bam, you just go in there. Boom. Magic complete. So yeah, just a nifty little trick that you can do. Make sure to comment below and let me know what reactions you get because I have gotten a wide range of reactions. So I'd love to know what happens when you do this. So that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to go check out my Patreon page to help support my channel. Link to that will be in the description along with all my social media stuff. So yeah, all that being said, I'll see you in my next video.